Hello guys, in today's video, as if you watch the full video of today, you are expected to know how to install local WordPress and at the same time how to create a site in local WordPress, whereby local WordPress will automatically install WordPress to your website we just created in your local. So, if you want to know how to do the full guide and steps in learning how to install local WordPress and at the same time creating a site on local WordPress whereby WordPress will be automatically installed to the site you've created, where you can access your post option, your media, your pages, comment, plugins, and all other features related to WordPress. You should watch the full video of today and at the same time subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget, I'm Abdussamad Tukur, and in this my YouTube channel, I create essential videos in different aspects which will help you in different way or the other. So let's move to the main motive for today's video, which is installing local WordPress and creating a site in local WordPress whereby WordPress will be automatically installed to the site we've created. So to do this, we are going to start with the first step, which we are going to first install local WordPress. So to install local WordPress, we are going to open a new tab. And once you open a new tab, you are going to type localwp.com. And once you've typed localwp.com, you are going to search. And once you search, you'll automatically be directed to their website where you can access different options from the local WordPress. But don't forget, the first step and our main motive for now is to download the local WordPress. As you can see here, it says get WordPress hosting. So in today's video, we are not concerning any web hosting server or purchasing any web hosting plan. So to download our local WordPress, we are going to click on download for free. And once you click on download for free, it will appear on your screen to choose your platform. Are you working with Intel, Apple, Windows, and any other operating system you are working with? You are going to select it. And as you can see, I have already selected Windows. So right now, you are going to insert your first name and your last name. So as you can see, I've already inserted my first name and my last name. So you are going to choose your organization type. Are you working as an agency, independent, freelancer, or consultant? Or are you working as an otherwise? So for now, I'm going to choose independent, freelancer, or consultant. And after, you are going to insert your work email. And once you've inserted your working email and you have finished filling all the required details by the local WordPress, you are going to click on Get It Now. And once you click on Get It Now, a new file will appear on your screen, which you have to save it. Because if you did not save it, there is no way local WordPress will be installed to your machine. So as you can see, this is what I was talking about. You have to save it. But for me now, I have already have local WordPress in my PC, so this is just for tutorial purpose. I don't need to save it again. That's why I've cancelled it. But if you don't have it in your machine, you are going to click on save. And once you click on save, you are going to your download site where you'll see your downloads, and when it has finished downloading, you'll go to the local WordPress file you just downloaded. You will do the required setup and installation whereby you agree to their terms and conditions. And once you've agreed to your terms and conditions, you'll finish the installation. And once you finish the installation, you don't need to bother and mind about anything because it's just like normal installation you've ever done. You just agree to their terms and policies and conditions. And once you've done that, you are going to enter the WordPress local application. As you can see, I am now in the WordPress local application. So as you can see from my screen, right now it's not my first time. I have already created different sites in this local WordPress. But if it is your first time, a plus button will appear on your screen which you say will not create any site you wish to create. And once you click on that plus button which will appear on your center, it will take you to the place you start creating site. But you don't need to mind or worry about anything because even if it is not your first time, it's a plus button at the button. Once you click it will direct you to whereas even if it is your first time or not your first time, you will be directed. So for now, we are going to leave it as create a new site. And once you leave it as create a new site, you click on continue. And once you click on continue, you are going to choose your site name, any site name you wish to, like you want to name your site, and this is like a domain name. But don't forget, in today's video we are not doing anything concerning web hosting server or web hosting plan. We will not purchase anything. So like for example, if you are doing a site now for a school, you are going to name it the name of your school. So for now, let me name it as my school. And once you name it, you choose your site name, you click outside, which you will say continue. And once you click continue, you are going to choose your environment. You want preferred or custom. So you should leave it as preferred, and once you leave it as preferred, you click on continue. And once you click on continue, you are going to set up your WordPress. And in this, you need to be very careful because these are your login details for WordPress. Once you forget any login ID you've just inserted now, you can no more access this website you are creating now, because once you finish creating and adding your site in local WordPress, for you to view your website admin, you have to insert your WordPress username or your WordPress email with your WordPress password you've just created now to open this site you are creating. So you have to be extra careful and at the same time vigilant with what you choose, because once you forget it, you can no more access this website. So let me carefully insert all these requirements. So now I'm going to insert my WordPress password. And now I'm going to insert my WordPress email. So once you finish filling all the required details, so you are going to add your site. And as you can see, like we've added our site, and you are going to wait for to finish all these required steps that needs to be undergone, because right now you have to patiently wait because it can take up to 3 or 4 minutes of your time, but you have to patiently wait before, because it needs to install WordPress to your local site we've just created now. So with a new message will appear from your window command processor, which you have to approve it, which you'll click on yes, because if you did not approve it, there is no way local WordPress will install WordPress to the site you've just created now. So you have to approve any message that comes from your Windows command processor for your local WordPress to be installed. So for now, I need to click on yes, and once I click on yes, I have approve the Windows command processor message. So right now we are going to wait for our local WordPress to finish adding WordPress, and at the same time install WordPress to the site we are just creating now. And once it's done, we can now access our WordPress admin and we can view our site we just created now using our local WordPress. So right now we are going to patiently wait for all the required process that need to undergo in order for our site to be fully ready and prepared, so that we can access all other features regarding WordPress in our website we've created now. So but before it finish, you should please subscribe to my YouTube channel and at the same time like my videos, because as you can see, I create relevant videos which will help you in different aspects or the other. So right now we are just going to wait for our local WordPress to finish and undergo every required things that needs to set up our website we are just creating now. As you can see right now from my screen, we have finished all the required things that needs to for our WordPress local to finish installing WordPress to our local site we just created now. So right now, as you can see from my screen, this is our site domain which we've named it as my school, which you can change it, and this all our other related settings concerning our local WordPress local site we've just created now. So to view our WordPress admin, we are going to click on this YP admin, because if we click on open site, we are going to view our local site we just created now. So, and we did not create anything. And even though the main motive for today's video is not to design anything in our site we've created now, it's just to learn how to install local WordPress and at the same time create site in local WordPress whereby WordPress will be automatically installed. So right now we've done all what we are going to do for today's video. But before we finish today's video, let us view our website so that we can used the WordPress password or WordPress email you just inserted before while creating our site, and you can see the main reason why I said you need to be vigilant and be careful, because if we did not insert them well, we can no more access our website. As you can see right now from my screen, we are required to use our username or email we just inserted during the time we are creating our website and our password. So right now let me carefully fill them. So as you can see, I use my username and at the same time let me use my password. So now I finished inserting my username and my password. So you can see here which says remember me. If you wish to be remembered, once you click on your WordPress admin, you'll automatically be directed without any use of username or email or anything concerning or your password. You'll click on this remember me. So right now I wish to be remembered. Once ever I open my local site application and I click on my school site that we just finished creating now, and once I click it and I click on YP admin, I'll be automatically directed without filling any of these details. So now I will log in, and once you log in, we wait for it to finish loading and do all other required things. As you can see, I have inserted the WordPress username and WordPress password correctly. That is why you've seen I have arrived at my WordPress dashboard. But if you do not insert them correctly, there's no how you arrive at here. That's why I said you need to be careful. So as you can see, this is our WordPress dashboard where you can access our posts, our media, our pages, our appearance, where we can access our themes, our plugins, and all other features and settings regarding our WordPress site we've just created. So as you can see, the name of our site, my domain, the name of our site, which is my school. But if you wish to send your site right here, you can change it without need to go to our local WordPress again. As you can see here, once I've changed it and I saved the settings I have just did now, and once I save the changes I did, it will automatically change my site name. But as you can see, it will not change anything, so it will remain as my school. And here, once you click on my school, you can view your site. But don't forget, we will not create anything, so this is why you will not see anything. It's just the install themes by the WordPress manager, which you have already installed for the site we just created now. So right now, this is the end of our today's video, because we have achieved what we've said we are going to do in today's video, which we have finished installing local WordPress, and at the same time we've created a site in local WordPress, where as you can see from my screen, we have arrived at our WordPress website dashboard, which WordPress is already installed, and we can access all other WordPress features in this our site. So this is the end of today's video, and in our next video we are going deeply in creating site on local WordPress, whereby we can access and upload different plugins, different themes, and all other settings regarding our WordPress. So if you really like today's video and you've enjoyed it and you have learned what I've really taught in today's video, you should subscribe to my YouTube channel, and at the same time like my videos, because as you can see, I create important and relevant videos which will help you in different way or the other. And at the same time, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I create a new videos, because you shouldn't be left behind, because as you can see, I create videos which help you in different way or the other. Thank you for watching and listening. Thank you. See you in my next video. Thank you.